found our one clue? Where is it?
Right there.
Oh, right here. And it's on this picture of Big Bird from Sesame Street. Well, I don't really watch Sesame Street anymore. Well, because it's not really my favorite show anymore. But we could draw Big Bird in our handy dandy
Notebook.
notebook. Right. So, let's draw Big Bird. First, we could draw the beak, 2 eyes, and then we can draw his head, the body, and the wings. Then 2 legs and the feet. And we have Big Bird. Hey, we have all 3 clues. You know what that means. We're ready to sit in our
Thinking chair.
thinking chair. Figure it out. Come on.